The role of the kidneys is to filter blood, absorb minerals from the food we consume, release hormones, and detoxify the body through the urine. Kidney damage is, therefore, a serious health issue, but it might not cause early symptoms right away, so it is important to avoid the following habits that might cause it. It is important that the body is properly hydrated for the kidneys to be able to function normally. Therefore, it is important that inadequate water intake can seriously harm the kidneys. The regular consumption of water detoxifies the body and lowers the risk of UTI and kidney stones. The consumption of high-sodium foods increases the risk of kidney damage, high blood pressure, and swellings in the ankles, feet, and hands. Limit the intake of processed, packed, and canned foods, since they are rich in sodium. The regular consumption of red meat makes the kidneys prone to damage, due to the toxins such as nitrogen and ammonia in animal meat and protein. The habit to hold in the urine for a long time can seriously damage the kidneys, since it increases the risk of urinary tract infections, damage to the pelvic collar muscles and incontinence, and allows the accumulation of toxins on the body. Keep slim to help your kidneys. Being too heavy raises your blood pressure, which is bad for your kidneys. Try to keep yourself at a healthy weight by keeping active and not overeating. Your body mass index, BMI, is a helpful way of checking whether you're a healthy weight. You can use the healthy weight calculator to work out your BMI. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercises, such as walking, cycling, or swimming, every week. The excess intake of sugary foods and drinks can lead to the development of type 2 diabetes, which eventually leads to blood vessels and kidney damage. Smoking and excessive alcohol intake support the ingestion of toxic ingredients on the body, elevate blood pressure, and dehydrate the body, leading to damage and decline of the kidneys. Sleep deficiency is dangerous for the entire body, including the kidneys. It elevates blood pressure, affects kidney function, causes stress, fatigue, and numerous other health issues. Blood pressure. Have your blood pressure checked regularly. High blood pressure has no symptoms, but it can increase your risk of kidney and heart problems. You can get a simple, quick, and painless blood pressure check free of charge at your GP surgery and many high street pharmacies. If your blood pressure is higher than it should be, a GP can suggest lifestyle changes or, if necessary, prescribe medicine to reduce your blood pressure. Ideal blood pressure is considered to be between 90/60ths of a millimeter of mercury and 120/80ths of a millimeter of mercury. When one does not follow the exact prescription of medication given by their doctors, they can experience kidney damage. Physical inactivity has been linked to various chronic diseases, heart attacks, diabetes, and cancer, and has been found to elevate the risk of kidney disease by 30%. Despite avoiding these habits, you should also incorporate other beneficial ones that will support the function of the kidneys and ensure their health. Reduce the intake of phosphorus. When kidneys do not function normally, phosphorus buildups in the body, leading to serious conditions, such as bone and heart disorders, as well as calcification, hardening, of tissues. Eat kidney-supportive foods, such as cilantro, parsley, watermelon, cranberries, blueberries, strawberries, apples, cabbage, cauliflower, peppers, garlic, onions, olive oil. Take daily probiotics, as probiotics, good bacteria, help your kidneys process waste materials and improve digestive health. Avoid pain relievers, especially nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, like aspirin, ibuprofen, Advil, Motrin, Nuprin, naproxen, Aleve, and acetaminophen Tylenol. Take Epsom salts baths. Such a bath detoxifies the body, removes waste, and boosts the kidneys while improving overall health. Drink green juice. Green foods detoxify the body. Lose weight. Obesity increases the risk of developing kidney cancer.